Let me tell you. That took a long time. Took a whole day. The result, am I happy? Let's get to the point. Hey, I'm back with another DIY. Finally, long awaited. I don't know if it was more long awaited for you or for me, but I DIY'd basically a living room makeover. All the things, and that's what this video is about. Hey, my name is Alicia. I go by Hallie. I make videos on lifestyle improvement, life hacks, DIYs, and just how to find the balance in the chaos of life, right? We find balance by doing things ourselves and waiting for nobody. So, today's video, I'm just going to tell you about how I basically did an extreme makeover for my living room, right? For studio apartments, we could have a little rental version of our extreme makeover. I'm just going to tell you what I did, how I did it, and the results. And that's it. Let's get to the point. Alright, what I did. What I wanted to do with my living space was brighten it up. Brighten it up. I live in walking distance from the beach. I live in San Diego, right by the beach. And a lot of this wasn't bright and beachy, right? I mean, I don't need to have seashells and nothing, but I wanted to represent my feeling I feel when I'm outside, right? I want it to be looking like nice and bright, and I like the color white, but everything was black, right? So what I did was, the first thing I did was I did something with my KALLAX. If you want to know about that, what's great is this video is not going to be that long because I have videos on how I did that, and then I'll talk about the rest of this. So if you want to see how I DIY'd my KALLAX bookshelf from IKEA, how this used to be black, and it ain't no more. And I painted it myself. Click the description box. There should be a link below. If not, be like, girl, I don't see that link. Alright, so there should be a link below for that. But basically, I did that. I painted it. I decored it. All the things. And I also pushed it back a little bit more, like an inch, to open up my living space. So that is like the focus point between the divider between my bed. So that is the first thing I did. I said, bookshelf, you need to change. It's like setting the vibe for the rest of the room. Then I did my wall art. You can see a little bit of there. And I have another video. Click the description box below if you want to see how I did my wall art. You know, this is faux brick, right? Wallpaper. Peel and stick wallpaper. And then I hung some things for a great price. If you want to know about that, click the box below. Basically, this took an entire weekend. Kind of like a Friday, Saturday, Sunday. A very long time. This kind of took a long time too. The wallpaper by itself I did when I first moved in, and then I did the additional things. Let's talk about the additional painting. Besides painting this, and even like the little things you'll see up here, like that right there, up there, that's white. I painted that. That was like brown wood. I did a lot of painting, right? You can only do so much painting when you're renting a space, I know. So I painted the KALLAX. I wanted everything to be bright, so when in doubt, white it out. That was the motto. If it was black, no more. So anything that I saw that was black, I was going to paint it white. Or gray. I like the color gray too. So that was white. This was white. Those things were white. What else did I paint? I painted my mirror. My mirror was black and it was actually by my bed. Now I moved my big mirror by the front window. Natural light comes in. I feel like I look a lot better with natural light. I like my outfits a lot better these days. So I painted that. I also painted, it was a black railing for my curtains. So I painted that white. I thought it was going to be a lot more covered because the old curtains I had completely cover the rail. This one not so much. But I'm okay with it because it actually moves along because the circles are metal. They move along a lot faster, so it's easier for me to move my curtains, which I like very, very much. I also painted these faux, like, sorry, is my shirt lifting? I painted, it's really short. It's right. Anyway, side note. I painted these, like, fake, they're like lamps, but they look like candles. I haven't decided if I want to use them at all, but they're there. They were black, so I painted those. What else did I paint? I painted, I think that's it. Right? I think I just painted everything white. Now let's talk decor. Decor. Oh, I gotta sit down differently. I can't be sitting on my knees this whole video. Okay, let's talk decor. So for decor, I just told myself I want to brighten everything. Anything that's black will no longer be black, like I said. I allowed colors like white, and gray, and green, but more like plant green. The first thing I knew I wanted to do for decor was plants. I had -0 plants in my place, and I also am home never, so they couldn't be real, they needed to be fake, and they needed to be on discount. So when I show you like the video that you can click the link below on my KALLAX, this is like the IKEA infamous bookshelf, and then this wall art behind, everything I got from Hobby Lobby on a discount. So if you want to know how I got them, how much everything was, go ahead and click those links below. But yeah, I added a lot of plant life. And I like that it's fake because I don't have to have it be connected to any kind of like water source, right? It's like, you want to hang over there, hang over there. If I want to move it to another spot, I have to move to another spot. There's no pots, there's no cleaning. Some areas are lighter than others, so I don't have to worry about sunlight. Will I own a real plant one day? You know, maybe. But that maybe's not right now. Okay, so I did a lot of plants. I love it. It makes me feel like the outdoors, right? We're getting more to that beachy feel. So in addition to plants, it was time for the pillows. One of my recent videos is DIY pillows, in case you're wondering how all these pillows that were once, this was black and white before, and now it is not. Let's fix that a little bit. I had so much fun because some of them are plain, some of them have designs, some of them are white and fluffy, and some of them are not. So the pillows, because it's my living space, pillows on my couch. I now have pillows on my chair. Sometimes I don't. And I also have another chair. I have 3 pillows over there. So the pillows kind of add to the decor, right? A plain couch with no pillows is not a fun couch at all. It's not a fun couch at all. And they're easy to move. It's not so annoying that I have so many pillows to where it gets on my nerves, right? I mean, at these times, I don't have guests, so it's just me, myself, and my pillows. And I lean on them. I rock with them. I hold them. I use them to hold up my laptop. So I like my pillows. So yeah, and I did that on a budget. If you want to know about that, what am I going to say? Click the link below. I'm going to put a lot of links below. Or you just need to watch all the videos. All the videos about my living space, okay? In this area only. In my studio apartment. One of my 2 favorite things, oh, I don't know if I want to say they're my favorite, but 2 purchases that were like the biggest purchases, but still on a discount, were my curtains and my rug. I feel like that really changed the game as well, besides all these little plants, little pillows and stuff like that. My curtains, let me tell you, I was torn and I was staying up all night. I was like, I like the curtains that I have. I don't have to change them because I had like that natural brick orangish looking feel, but then I was like, what if I went blue? What if I went green? What if I went white? I was like, ooh, I should go white. I should really go white. And then I was like, I don't know. But then I decided, just go on Amazon. I found blackout curtains. They're on discount. I think it was like 20 bucks. They're nice and long and soft. Oh, they're so soft. And I have no regrets. I have the exact design that I wanted on them. I want to have a similar feel to my old curtains with that kind of design I had on it. And they're perfect. They're absolutely perfect. I love them so much. So, curtains, blackout curtains, and it's night and day. Like, I forget that it's morning because my curtains are closed. If I fall asleep on the couch, you know, natural light used to come on in. I feel like it's still nighttime until I open my curtains. Like, those blackout curtains, are good. If you want a link to those, let me know in the comments below, because I don't want to put too much links. You got to ask me first. Do you want the link? If so, let me know. It was on Amazon, my curtains. And then my rug. Oh, my rug. One of the things that I don't like about my place is the brown carpet. Like, I get it. It's very efficient, you know? Like, but I vacuum all the time. I keep things clean. But I wanted light carpet. I wanted a light rug. So, I wanted gray, right? And then I wanted like more of a white color, which was perfect. I got it from Ross. I think it was originally $100 and something, and I got it for $99, I believe. And it's perfect. It's huge. It's larger than the rug I had before. It has gray, white, a little bit of teal, the exact colors I was looking for. Won't he do it? Won't he do it? Let me tell you, this rug, it really just brings me joy. Now, is it a little brat sometimes? Yes, it is, because I'll try to show you maybe in some video footage. It kept wrinkling. Like, for some reason, I don't know if it's because it's so large. My other rug, I didn't have a problem with this, but it was like, if I step this way, it would move, and then it'd get a little wrinkle in it. And I was like, you're stressing me out. My OCD can't handle wrinkles on my rug. So it did take some time. But the good thing is with this makeover, I moved my KALLAX. That was a journey in itself. I had to take everything off. Everything that was already done, I took everything off because I couldn't move it with things on it. Then I moved my rug about an inch under the KALLAX and then put the KALLAX, I'm calling the bookshelf in case you're wondering, that's what the bookshelf is called. It's called a KALLAX bookshelf. Then I put it about an inch on top of the rug so the rug won't move. That's what I wanted. I know you can get those things you put on your rugs where the rug doesn't move from like Home Depot, but I didn't feel like doing that. I didn't want to hope that that was going to work. I knew it was going to work if this like 300-pound bookshelf that's made of like 4 parts, it wasn't gonna move. So that took a long time. Took a whole day actually. But after a lot of frustration of, you know how you just finished something and then you gotta do it all over again? That's how I felt. So the plants kind of don't lay exactly how they were the first time. I think everything went back the way it was, but now my rug doesn't move and I'm a happy camper. So if you have a rug that moves, my advice, put something heavy on it. The couch isn't enough. The couch don't do nothing. And last but not least is I just checked that all the decor fit the vibe. Everything's white, gray, brown, like earth colors, like sand. But I didn't want to get corny and get like pillowcases with like seashells on it. I wanted beach vibes, but I didn't want to be like, you know, too carny with it. Just has that feel. So that's it. That is my living room makeover. The result, am I happy? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I love the results. I am in love with my living room. I keep falling asleep on the couch because I just love it all. I should probably sleep in my bed more, but the bed's not as cute as the living space. It's not as cute. And nobody comes over anyways. But other than that, if there's anything that I missed, because I'm going to show you like at the end, I'm done talking, I'll show you kind of like a run through of the whole living space area in my studio. If I missed anything, let me know. If there's anything else you want to see my apartment and you're like, on that tour, you said you was going to do this and I still never did it, call me out. Let me know in the comments below if I missed any DIY that I said I was going to do. I haven't done yet. But that's all. I'm going to keep it short and sweet. Yeah, let me know your thoughts. Is there anything that you like, anything you don't like? If you don't like it, feel free to not mention anything, but if there's something you do like, let me know. Let me know. Other than that, next video, I might do an update of the uploader, another DIY. Let me know how you're feeling. I mean, we go to Trader Joe's every week. I can do another Trader Joe's. Until next time, peace.